Frigidaire dishwasher door latches commonly stick due to debris, wear, or solenoid issues. First, ensure the dishwasher is off to prevent electric shock. Try a manual override. Locate a small hole on the control panel and use a screwdriver to gently press the latch release mechanism inside. If that fails, disconnect power to the dishwasher and firmly try to open the door. If the latch still won't budge, inspect the latch area for visible obstructions. If needed, apply gentle but firm pressure to the door while simultaneously attempting the manual release. Once the door is open, diagnose the cause by inspecting the latch area for damage, debris, or wear. Clean the latch area thoroughly, removing any food particles or grime. Lubricate moving parts with food-grade silicone. If the latch is visibly damaged, like cracked plastic or worn spring, replace the latch assembly. Part numbers vary by model. To prevent future issues, regularly clean the dishwasher filter, avoid overloading, apply food-grade silicone lubricant periodically, and check the Frigidaire app for error codes in newer models. Replacing old parts with newer, more durable modular parts will extend the dishwasher's lifespan.